Normal English.
Polite English.
I don't care.
That's not a priority for me.
Stop complaining.
Let's focus on solutions.
Don't interrupt.
Could you let me finish?
You're lazy.
You could be more proactive.
Don't lie.
Please be honest.
Pay attention.
Please stay focused.
I don't like it.
It's not my preference.
You're not good at this.
There's room for improvement.
You are late.
I see you got held up.
Leave.
Could you excuse yourself? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.